Smartphone makers seem obsessed with thin phones this year. Samsung has already delivered on that front by introducing the slender Galaxy S25 Edge and slimming down the Galaxy Z Fold 7. However, the Korean giant isn't done yet, with a new rumor saying that all Galaxy S26 variants will be thinner than their predecessors. A tipster on Twitter claims that all three Galaxy S26 models will have a thinner profile than their Galaxy S25 counterparts. That's not to say that all three models will aspire to Galaxy S25 Edge level thinness. It just means that the phones will be somewhat thinner and, as a result of that, offer improved grip. It remains to be seen how Samsung will achieve that without messing up its plans to equip the Galaxy S26, the Galaxy S26 Edge, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra with bigger batteries than their predecessors. That said, respected leaker Ice Universe previously said that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would be thinner and lighter. Also, there have been conflicting reports about the Ultra model's battery capacity, so even though the highest-end model may not necessarily have a bigger cell, it'll definitely have faster charging speed, going from 45 to 60 watts. Alternatively, Samsung may switch to the silicon-carbon tech to increase battery capacity without increasing the footprint. An earlier rumor from South Korea claimed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra would use this tech to increase the capacity to up to 7,000 mAh. But let's be real, that isn't happening next year. The leaker also commented on the rumors, which said that the base model would be replaced by the Galaxy S26 Pro, and in place of the Galaxy S26 Plus, we will get the Galaxy S25 Edge. They have thrown more confusion into the mix, claiming Samsung is undecided on whether the Plus model should be superseded by a Pro variant or continue to exist in its current form. Even though there's still uncertainty about what the lineup will end up looking like, one thing is for sure, Samsung is determined to shake things up next year, and that's a good sign. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one.